Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ash and this is All That Ash. Today we have the first New Year's Eve look. And it is cute, honey. I freaking love it. Okay, so if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, there's more videos coming. And look at my beautiful background. It's all my makeup. I'll do like a makeup video where I show you guys all the stuff I have. Makeup collection video, that's the word I was looking for. Yeah, so this is number one. I think I'm gonna do like a smoky black, you know, glittery eye or something, I don't know, but lots of glitter for New Year's. That's all I know, that's all I want to do. Glitter, rhinestones, gems, whatever. So if you do want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching. All right, so starting off with my brows already done, I'm gonna move on to my face. I'm using the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. I'm just putting some on my hand, and then I'm gonna smooth it all over my face. So I'm a freak about germs, so I don't really like touching my face while I'm doing my makeup. So I just use brushes mainly, or sponges of course. This is collagen cream. I'm gonna put on my hands. It's kind of like lotion, but makes your hands wonderful. This is BH Cosmetics, their Conceal and Correct palette in medium. I'm gonna just go ahead and color correct. So I'm pretty much just covering all the spots that I have that are dark. So underneath my eyes, like little acne spots, that are on my cheeks and stuff. And then of course around my mouth. Ashton. So now I'm using the NYX HD finishing powder. It's translucent powder, and I'm going to just set my face. This helps with the oil that you get throughout the day, and then also just to make sure when I put on my foundation right now, it's not going to cover or like come off. You know, it's going to set everything before I even use foundation. Now I'm using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless. This is their foundation in the color 330. So I used to mix my foundations, but my skin's gotten lighter since it's been winter. So I was able to go and use just this one shade by itself. Oh my gosh, son. Sorry, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna just blend and blend until it melts into my skin. And this foundation is buildable, so you could do another layer if you really want to build up the coverage. Now moving on to concealer. This is Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put that underneath my eyes. It's a trick of the lighting, so that way you don't see the eye bags underneath, and it also helps with the discoloration. I'm gonna just blend that out and make sure it's seamless all the way across my face, so around my nose and my lip. I like doing this before I do my eyes because then everything is seamless. So now this is the Anastasia Stick Foundation in the color Earth. I'm gonna use this for a cream contour. I didn't used to do this, but I like doing this now because once you set your face with all the powders, like you just have like a super natural contour. And it just looks a lot more beautiful in my opinion. So I'm gonna just blend this out with the same foundation sponge that I use, so that way it's super, super blended. Sculpt, honey. So I'm contouring my nose, as you can see. I normally don't do this as well, but hey, New Year's Eve, gotta be snatched. So this is the Black Radiance banana powder. So I'm gonna use that to set under my under eyes. And with my beauty blender, you guys saw that I smoothed it out, and then I wanted a little more coverage, so I'm adding just a little bit more of the concealer. And then once I blend that out, now I'm gonna set it. So now I'm using the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Dark Deep. I'm gonna just put this all over my face. Just make sure, you know, you're setting everything so that way your makeup doesn't move. And then I bring it down my neck also. Put it on my lips and stuff. Everywhere, literally. Now this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzing powder in the color Mahogany. I'm gonna just contour my cheeks, and then I'm gonna contour my forehead, underneath my lip, and also my nose. And then just with that brush that had leftover powder on it, I just cleaned up the contour lines. Moving on to blush, this came in the BoxyCharm this month. It's the CIATE blush in Burnt. And then this is the Fenty Beauty Killawatt. This color was Hustler Baby. This is my first time using it. Oh my gosh, I freaking love that highlight, you guys. It came out bomb. Like, that pigment is gorgeous. Of course, gotta highlight the nose. My upper lip is the favorite. Yes. Super cute. Now I'm going to set my face. This is the Ulta Beauty Matte Makeup Setting Spray. So now I'm putting on this lip gloss. This is from NK Makeup. I got it in a beauty supply store. It's the color, well, it's like kind of red, but it's the name Cherry. Now moving on to eyes. This is the MAC Paint Pot and Painterly. So I'm going to use this as my eyeshadow base. So that way, you know, the shadow just pops, honey. Now here we have the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. This is in Warm Neutrals. I'm going to use that first shade to just be a transition shade. I'm going to set my entire eyelid. Make sure that's just blended out. Now I'm going to take this kind of reddish color. It's like a red-brown. I'm going to put that in my crease and then just like super blend it out. Just blend, blend, blend. You're going to lose a little bit of pigment, but I mean, just right now we're focusing on the placement. So we just want to make sure it's in the right place. And then just fade it up. Just keep blending, blending, blending. Other side. So the trick to the airbrush effect is taking a brush, like a fluffy brush with no product on it, and then just blending right there at the top. Now this is a shimmery gold shade, so it's not very pigmented, but that's not what we're really worried about. I kind of want to put this here to just have that shimmer in the background because we're going to go over this with glitter. And so it's going to be like a nice fade from the glitter to like a little bit of gold into the red into, you know, your brows. So you'll see. Now this is where I said about how you could build up the pigment. So now that you know exactly where the shadow is placed, then you just go over with that. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glitter Adhesive. This stuff is bomb, you guys. The only thing I wouldn't recommend is like jumping into some water with this. Everything is going to come off. It doesn't hold well with water, but if you don't get it wet, then it is wonderful for glitter and for pigments. So I'm going to just make sure my eyelid is covered. So I mainly did like 3/4 of the eye. I didn't do the outside of my eyelid. I did not do the outer corners. So you'll see in a minute. So just brush it on. And then this is copper glitter. So kind of like a bronze glitter, copper glitter. Just, yeah. Go ahead and pack that on top of the glitter adhesive. Whatever doesn't stick to the glitter adhesive is gonna fall off, so tilting your head kind of down like this prevents it from getting stuck to your foundation. Yes. Now we're taking this dark red shade, and this is what we're putting on the outer corners. So that's why I kind of left it open and didn't put glitter right there. So we're just gonna blend that out and up into the lighter red shade. Next, lash primer. This is the Voluminous from L'Oreal. Always use this, so that way you're not putting mascara directly on your eyelashes. Not that there's anything wrong with that. I just like having a barrier. Like primer, lasts longer. This is just white eyeliner. This is from NK Cosmetics as well. The same beauty supply store that I got the lip gloss. I got this. And then I'm taking that dark red shadow shade, and I'm gonna just put that underneath. So just kind of outline the bottom of my eyes with that same dark red shade from the outer corners. So I'm gonna just do that. And then I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and then just soften it. In a second, you'll see. There we go. Yep, just soften it a little bit. No product, just fluff it. All right, now I'm gonna use the same Voluminous from L'Oreal, but this one is black and it has a curved brush. So this is gonna help curl your lashes upward naturally. Or at least naturally with the product. Yes. I don't know what I was thinking. All right, now I'm putting on this Ulta Beauty Bold Ambition mascara. I mainly like this because the wand is like a comb, so it's gonna grab all the little tiny lash hairs that you have, which is wonderful. Makes everything look more full. Now is the Ardell Wispies. These are the Wispy 600s. These are super fun, especially for some partying, because they're not like a natural full lash. There's like spurts of lashes. Super freaking cute. All right, so now the lash is on. I'm gonna blend them with that same L'Oreal mascara just to make sure they look a little more natural. And then going back in this Fenty Killawatt in Hustler Baby, I'm going to highlight my inner corners, and then I'm going to highlight my brow bone. I like my highlights to match. I tried it one time where I didn't match it and I just did not like that shit. So we're gonna just keep how we do. All right, my love, so this is the finished look. Oh, you guys, I think it is so bomb, okay? Yes, I love it. You know I love it, okay? So if you did like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, then you need to subscribe, okay? There are more videos coming, and look at my beautiful makeup. Oh, my honey for Christmas moved everything, and of course we needed to, you know, get my life together with my makeup stuff. So I was so excited when he moved everything around and gave me my whole little area. Like, I literally have so much space. I still gotta get like storage unit stuff to be able to put all my palettes and everything up, because like right here's a mess. Okay, right here it's just like, it's a joke. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that together and get it fixed, and then I'll show you guys. But I love it. So once again, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share if you want to. But yeah, so go ahead and like my Facebook page also, AllThatAsh. Go find me. Show me some love. I freaking love this, okay? I adore it. So let me know what you think in the comments. You guys talk to me. Okay, all right, I'm done screaming. I'm done being excited. Going crazy. I just freaking love this look. Like, I love it so much, okay? So, New Year's look number 1. We got that down. All right, you guys, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye.